Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we're going to see what is collect list function in Spark SQL. So, why do we use collect list function in Spark SQL? Collect list function returns a list of non-unique elements. So, what does it mean? For instance, suppose we have a table and there are multiple columns present in that table. If we want to create a list of all the records which present in a particular column. So with the help of a collect list function, we can create a list which contains all the elements of that particular column, and it also maintains the duplicates in list which created with the help of a collect list function. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, first I am going to create a table. These are the attributes of the table. Once this table gets created, I will insert some records with the help of an insert statement. And when all the insert statement executed successfully, then we're going to use the collect list function in this exercise. So let's create this table and let's insert some records in the table. Let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name it as a collect list. Let's first create the table. To save time, I have already created the scripts. So this is the script to create the table. Let me copy it, paste here, and let me run it. It will going to create this table. Table is being created. We need to wait. Yeah, table has been successfully created. We can validate from here also. If you go to the catalog, you can see in the default database, this table has been created successfully. Let's insert some data in this table. So I have already created the insert statement. Let me paste this insert statement and let me run it. Okay, so all these insert statements will going to execute one by one. Since we have a single node cluster, so it will going to take some time. Let's wait till all the insert statement runs successfully. So data are inserting in this table. Still the insert statements are executing. Okay, so all the insert statements have been run successfully. Let me just do a select to see all the insert statements are inserted properly or not. Let me select star from. So we can validate these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statements. Now let's go to the PPT. So what I'm just doing here, I'm creating a column with the help of a collect list function by passing this AP salary column from the table which we have just created. So what collect list will going to do, it will create a column. That column will contain a list of all the records which present in AP salary column of this table. It also maintains the duplicacy. Whatever the data it is present in the AP salary, if that column has some duplicate data and the list which we are getting created with the help of a collect list function, that list has those duplicate records as well. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. So we have already created the table, we have already inserted the records. Now let's use the collect list function. Collect list, and in the collect list we have to pass AP some columns. So I'm passing AP salary and I am giving alias as collect list salary from this table, the table which we have just created. Run it. So we can see these are the data which are present in this AP salary column, and with the help of a collect list function, this data has been converted into a list. We can see here this is the array, and in each position one records are present. So in this way we can able to create a list or a array of all the records which are present in a particular column with the help of a collect list function. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.